Hi everyone, we're looking at the cold steel Grivory Paradox knife. First of all, this one is not butterfly knife. It has to be opened with two hands. Let's get some spec out of the way. The steel material is AS8 and the blade length is 4.5. Overall length of this blade is, when it's open, is 9.75 inch. Let's take some close look at it. Okay. The knife shape is very sexy. It looks like a leaf. I like this one. Here's the handle. It looks good too. And the pocket clip. So this one, when you want to close it, you have to use two hands as well. You cannot do all those tricks like butterfly knife. It's not gonna work. You basically need to use two hands, but need to be careful with this blade edge closed on your hand. So always hold on the sides. Then you can close it like that. The good thing about this knife is once it's open, it will not close on you at all. But it takes two hands, so this is not a good tactical knife because it's not fast. But it's perfect for camping, you know, or like a EDC knife. It's perfect because the lock is so strong and it just looks good. Since it's not a butterfly knife, you can carry in the US on certain states. If it's butterfly, you cannot carry in the US and probably not in most of the countries. I really like this knife. I think it's very sexy and holds nicely in hand too. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll have the item link below.